how to view nutritional information on recipes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check the nutritional information for any HelloFresh recipes right from the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can simply log in and browse the weekly menu or open recipes from your upcoming deliveries. And there you can just tap on any recipe that you want to learn more about. And there, once you are on the recipe page, you can simply scroll down until you see the option labeled as nutritional values. So simply tap on that drop down arrow beside that option, and there you will see details like calorie, protein, fat, carbohydrate, and other key nutrition facts per serving. And some recipes also include allergen information right below the nutrition facts. So be sure to check if you have a dietary restrictions. And that's it. Now you know how to easily view the nutritional information for any HelloFresh recipes using the mobile app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.